Good afternoon. It is Monday, July 1st, 2019. Now I'm on my way to the shop to get my tripod. I'm gonna go to the house and load up that third Nova on the trailer and get it ready to take it to the shop in the morning. Alrighty, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, I'm at the shop. It's kind of windy here, so if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. It was hot today. It was like 95 degrees here, but the wind seems to be really cool. So, you know, I don't know what's going on. I am going to, well, that's still showing 100%. That's crazy. That battery actually took a charge. Talking about the battery on this old tractor here that I got for free. When I first tried to boost it off, I couldn't. Battery wouldn't take a charge. So anyway, I'm here at the shop. I'm gonna get my tripod, which is right there, and take it to the house so y'all can see me grab up this other Nova. What I'm gonna do right here is I am gonna try to see if I can get the paint code numbers off this, the color numbers, so I can see if I want to paint my car this color. It was this color green, and that light doesn't do it any justice. It's kind of a light metallic green, light jade green. They called it sea mist. I'll turn it around. I'll turn the camera around and get the best picture I can of it, and then that probably be the end of this segment for right now. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a minute, all right? Okay, here's the Nova I'm picking up. And I had a bunch of garbage in front of it that I had to clear out of the way. Namely, those 3 gas tanks and that gas tank over there. This has got a lot of top rust on it, patina, you might call it. It doesn't have the correct turn signals in it, or the side markers. Missing one of the fender wells. It's a non-AC car. And it's had a new windshield put in it. And it looks like the dash is in pretty good shape. I'd have to pull off the cowl panel to find out, the cowl screen. The dash is pretty well cracked up. I watched a video on repairing them the other day. It's pretty neat. I do have both A-pillars in here, but they're for a 73. I need them for the 72. I got this out of a scrap yard, and the top was caved in. You can't tell it now, but I mean, if you was to paint it, you surely could. It had a emblem right there. I'm really not sure what it was. Maybe custom, or maybe it was the I don't think it's a rally Nova. It doesn't have them on both sides, so I'm not sure what it was. according to that right there, those are original quarters. And according to that down there, they're pretty much original quarters. Definitely gonna have to air them up to get it out of here. It does have air shocks on it, so that shouldn't be too hard. Right there, right through the whatchamacallit, I will have to put either air up the air shocks or put smaller tires on it to air it down, or air, to be able to move it. Both the front tires are flat. I'm sure both the back tires are flat. Now that car's been sitting there for, I don't know, 15 years. So anyway, it's getting kind of dark here already. We've got clouds coming in. And I'm just gonna call it a night. I guess I'll pull that trailer back here first thing in the morning after my grandson gets here and pull that car up on it. I'm hoping I ain't got no ticks on me right now. We're having pretty bad out here for a while. I'm sure they're still bad out here. I've got to get out here and do some work on my little trailer right there, where I keep my loading equipment, and the tongue end of it is starting to sink real bad because that's where all the weight is. There's probably 1,000 pounds of lead in there, so I've got to do something about that. And get that crank back up and get it leveled out again. But anyway, that's it for tonight. I'll see y'all again in the morning, alrighty? Bye. There's the car. I got it on the trailer. I didn't video it because we got that coming in. It's been raining off and on all afternoon. You can't tell it by looking at the ground because everything's so dry, but I didn't want to have my phone out in the rain. So anyway, that one's on, and I'm fixing to head up to the shop after I take a little bit of a break in the AC, and then I'll probably head up to the shop and work a little while on the 72 Nova. All right, we'll see y'all in a little bit.